Now, let's see how we can delete data using Eloquent. So let's scroll down to our delete method. Now, let's comment this out. Let's create a variable and set it to our model again. So we will say student colon find 55. Then there's an item delete. Now, if we let's go to our browser. Let's call this method, enter, deleted successfully. Now, if I go to my database, refresh, I did got nothing, but there is a problem. Now, if I want to delete the same record again, let's see what would happen. I got an error that call to member function delete on null, which means that the user has been already deleted, it cannot delete. So to prevent this, instead of find, we can use in here find or fail. Now let's go back, let's refresh. Now I got 404 not found. This is the benefit of using find or fail. If it find, it will execute the next code. If it does not find it, it will give us 404 not found error. We can do one more thing in here to make it more simpler. Just remove this, and chain all the functions together. So if I let's delete ID number 56. Let's go back, delete it successfully. Now if I refresh again, 404 not found. So this is how we can delete, or we don't need this variable also. It will work. So let's delete 57. Let's go back, delete it successfully. 404 not found. So this is how we can delete a record using the Eloquent.